Have you ever wondered how exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs, came into existence and how they've evolved over time? Perhaps you're curious about how these financial instruments have become such a staple in modern investment portfolios. Well, buckle up as we journey through time and explore the fascinating history and evolution of ETFs. The story of ETFs begins in the early 90s. The year is 1993, and the first ETF, known as SPDR S&P 500 ETF, makes its debut on the American Stock Exchange. This seminal event marks the birth of an investment instrument that would revolutionize the financial markets. This particular ETF was designed to track the S&P 500 index, providing investors with a new way to gain broad exposure to the US stock market. Fast forward to the late 90s, and ETFs began to diversify. In 1996, international ETFs were introduced, enabling investors to get exposure to foreign markets. This was a significant development, opening up a world of opportunities for investors to diversify their portfolios and reduce risk. As we move into the new millennium, the evolution of ETFs kicks into high gear. The year 2000 brought about sector ETFs, allowing investors to target specific sectors of the economy. This was followed by the introduction of commodity ETFs in 2003, enabling investors to invest in physical commodities like gold and oil. In the mid-2000s, we witnessed the advent of leveraged and inverse ETFs. These financial instruments were designed to provide amplified returns or to profit from a decline in the value of an underlying benchmark. Despite their potential for high returns, they also come with increased risk, reminding us that with great reward often comes great risk. The evolution of ETFs does not stop there. The year 2008 saw the introduction of actively managed ETFs. Unlike traditional ETFs, which passively track a specific index, these ETFs are managed by fund managers who actively make decisions about what assets to hold. This development blurred the lines between traditional mutual funds and ETFs, further expanding the possibilities for investors. And now, in the year 2023, ETFs have become an integral part of the global financial landscape. With over 7,000 ETFs listed worldwide, covering an array of asset classes, sectors, and strategies, there's an ETF for almost every investment objective. So there you have it, a brief journey through the history and evolution of ETFs. From their humble beginnings in the early 90s to their current status as a mainstay of modern investment portfolios, ETFs have truly revolutionized the world of investing. They've democratized access to asset classes and strategies once reserved for sophisticated investors, and have provided a platform for innovation in the financial markets. As we look to the future, who knows what the next chapter in the evolution of ETFs will hold? But one thing is for sure, this dynamic and versatile investment instrument will continue to play a pivotal role in the financial markets for years to come.